Today we're making potato salad, Southern style. This potato salad is over the top. It's simple and easy, yet so tasty. So let's go over all the ingredients you're going to need for this potato salad just like your granny used to make. Hope y'all like this traditional potato salad like we make it. Wash and peel 7 pounds of potatoes and then cut them up in 1-inch cubes. And once you get your potatoes cut up in your 1-inch cubes, you're going to be placing them in your boiling water. And once you get your potatoes in your water, we add 1 tablespoon of salt to your water. Here's the second batch, adding it to the water. And right here is where I'm going to go ahead now and add my 1 tablespoon of salt and start bringing my potatoes to a boil. And once you get them to a boil, you want to get them fork tender. And once they get fork tender, you're going to take them and drain them in a strainer. And let all the extra water drain in a bowl. And then take these potatoes out, set them to the side. And let them drain. And once they drain, we're going to add them to our dish pan. That's what we like to use. And here in the South, you know they ain't no other mayonnaise but Duke's. And you're going to use 16 ounces of mayonnaise. And now we're going to add 2 cups of diced green onions. Now we're going to add our dill relish. We believe this is what makes the potato salad taste better. Now we're going to add our seasonings. We use 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of celery seed, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, and right here we're adding our 8 diced eggs. Once you get your eggs all in there, we're going to get ready now to mix it all up. And this is the dill relish we use. Now that we've got all the ingredients in there, let's combine them together and mix it together. Now we're going to place our potato salad in our serving pan. And boy, is this going to be great for a cookout or a Sunday dinner after church. Now we're going to sprinkle it with a little paprika. Makes it taste good and pretty at the same time. So this is our potato salad, easy and simple recipe. Thanks for watching.